Tibetan youth Organised independence stores they arrived here and I think also the Nguyen Square ni go to the shoot Bryant Park la.
Today we're here in Bryant Park to welcome the Tibetan Independence Torch.
저는 고등은 참고 제도고 동안 봐. 먼저 딱봐 참고 제고 말 딱봐 미투도 탐고 말에 남자 미글로 때는 뒤를 가서 미래 봐. 전 내주지 내도 제고야지 유도 내가 가서 참지 내가 제도고 동안 배워서 진짜 네가 사면 군조 봐.
And all of us who worked for so many years for the rights of the Tibetan people have been told again and again, the story is over. But as we know, it's those people inside Tibet on March 14th, 2008, kicked back and poured blood on the face of Mao and spoiled his big Olympic moment. So don't you tell me the story is over. It is very important for all of us not to cry for Tibet, not to fear for Tibet, not just to pray for Tibet, but to take action for Tibet. I'm not going to miss this Rongzhen revolution. I say free Tibet now. Free Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now.
Hell no, freedom, no happy. Hell no, freedom, no happy.
진짜 숨배 다리 쭈네 고쭈네 단다봐도 야매당에 민두로와 샬레장에 요마레 따탄다 겸미든서 가르치고 오래 수 징에 고주고 당한절라 마하트마 간디기 수요레 탑지오 칸디지 임바이네 림바 시요레 탑지오라 탑지오기 림바 당고디 제네 징에 디기 오프레서 지요르와 오프레서 디기 야매당에 레스 first they ignore you 림바 니바 데라 oppressor jiorwa tsenen chinge digi kenala chale je go tugres gemo shogres wa rimba sumba dela ani khonto kerala zinge go tugres kamde je go tugres rimba shiwa de keran je ga tugres la
Yeah, but the end they short day tamju digi di sige mi da tön karna na la yami ki chashi 진나 저와 대한민국 배바 공단에 가르치면 믹스에게 달래 올림픽 소스 별로 레버 있나 가르치기 유명지 신이 오해지 대한민국 나왔던 게 왜대 담지 그렇게
어쩌라 꾸지 얘기 생각하라 really 당리다가 가랬어 그래 꾸지 꾸지
Tibet!
Dalai Lama! You lead the Dalai Lama send you!
Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama!
Fresh protests here in Lhasa. A series of extremely violent protests has erupted here in Lhasa by the Dalai clique. President Hu Jintao and Premier Wen Jianbao are due here any minute now in honor of the 2008 Summer Beijing Olympics. This is Pei Li for CCTV, China's #1 news source. Xie.
Welcome to China's Tibet. Tibet is an internal issue of China. We do not tolerate any interference from any foreign governments in Chinese political matter. Tibetan Youth Congress has orchestrated recent protests in a bid to overthrow the Chinese rule and sabotage the Beijing Olympic in August. Olympic is a symbol of global peace and harmony. Olympics should not be politicized. We, China, welcome our Beijing Olympic sponsors and partners, Coca-Cola, Samsung, and Lenovo.
Samsung is proud and honored to be your presenting partner of the Beijing Olympics torch relay.
Lenovo is also greatly honored to be sponsoring this summer's Wondrous event.
And Coca-Cola is very proud to sponsor the 2008 Beijing Olympics.